Pepernoten. They are a delicious Dutch treat that's only around the holidays. And traditionally they throw them onto the floor and have their kids scatter around to pick them up and eat them. Isn't that great? I have Gabby here with me joining on my video. Yes, I just pushed my hair back behind my ears with a handful of Pepernoten. You saw that correctly. Here's Gabby.
Hello, hello.
We have our hot buttered rum and Pepernoten, which is both delicious fall treats. Gabby, can you eat one of these and explain what it tastes like?
These are the ones from the floor. They're a little chewy and bready. And they have a little aniseed, so like licorice-y flavor, but very subtle.
They do. Yeah, it's a very subtle licorice flavor. Guys, I picked these up from the bakery 2 hours ago. They're baked fresh this morning. They're little balls of like almost dough, but they're not too doughy. And there's nutmeg and clove, and it's like a ginger snap almost.
Almost addictive, because I could take like 5 in my hand and just...
Gabby came over the other night and we had a game night, and she brought these from the bakery close to her house. It was like we ate one. We're like, oh, these are good. Oh, she's like, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna put the rest of the bag in. I don't know what we're doing here. We're just all stuffing our faces.
Yeah.
They're so good.
Even for the person who hates licorice, they're so delicious. It's just a very subtle hint of the flavor. So
Yeah.
I think
I'm selling Pepernoten. I gotta pay the bills, you guys. So this is one order. You can see they're in a plastic bag because again, they're fresh. I watched the lady scoop it from the big bulk bag that they had just made and scoop it into this. So this order is gonna be $6, guys. That includes shipping to the US, which is outrageous. Also, a little bit of history, a little bit of culture with this. Pepernoten are also treats that Sinterklaas, that that's what they call their Santa. He has a big red hat that makes him look like the Pope, which is like this. And Sinterklaas has helpers, and they're called Pieten, and they're little elves, and they carry around big burlap sacks filled with Pepernoten. So these have been around in the Dutch culture forever. Original bready type of Pepernoten. Also have like a ginger snap option. This is the kind that I'm selling. I'll open these and show you. So it's a mix of 3 different types of chocolate, but in the middle is like a ginger snap type cookie. It's a bit more crunchy. It's covered in chocolate. Oh, I didn't know how good that was gonna be. These ones I would say have a lot more of a nutmeg, gingery flavor. So those are your 2 options. They're both $6. You either get this bag or you get an order of these fresh baked Pepernoten. The form is provided. Click the link. Should be everything there set up for you. Message me if you have any problems. And do what Gabby would do. Buy Pepernoten. Then you can throw it around too.
Pepernoten.
Pepernoten. You've heard of a mic drop. Have you heard of a Pepernoten drop? Dun, 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 dun. 3,